breeder of Fahd Al-Kayai, from the state of Kuwait, president of the Kuwaiti Chinese Owl Club, member of the Kuwait Pigeon and Bird Fancier Sports Club, one of the founders and organizers of the Ki Championship, and a member of the UAE Chinese Owl Club, specializing in the Chinese Owl season in 2024. My first participation in the Chinese Owl Championship was in 2024. From there, my career in exhibitions began, and I participated in the Pigeon and Bird Fancier Sports Club Championship and the first Ki Championship in 2024. I also participated in the second Al-Ki Championship in 2025. In 2025, I was awarded runner-up and champion of champions in the standard category at the Pigeon and Bird Fancier Sports Club Championship, my first personal production championship.